Hi guys, so let's go and I'm gonna show you what's my routine in 11 p.m. So we're gonna start now. So clearly guys, I'm gonna edit in my K-pop right now. So let's go edit now. And clearly guys, I'm just gonna update you guys what time I finish this my edit. So bye. So hi guys, so natapos ako 12:22 a.m. na ngayon. And bukas guys, pagkagising ko guys, magbibideo ako guys. So good night! Woo! So hi guys, so matutulog na ako ngayon guys. Gusto ko na talaga matulog, oh my gosh. So bye bye na! Hi guys, good morning, and now I'm gonna go into the bathroom and I'm gonna shower now. So bye-bye. Hi guys, so kakatapos ko na maligo and now so aalis kami guys. Hi guys, so we're in the mall right now. So I'm just gonna update you guys later if I am in the car later. Bye-bye! Hi guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-grocery and now kumakain ako nito ng lollipop at pauwi na kami, pero pupunta muna kami ng Uraya para sunduin namin yung mga doggies. Bye-bye! Hi guys, so hindi na lang namin kukunin yung mga doggies cause yung father ko na lang daw kukuha. So pauwi na kami guys, so update ko na lang kayo if nasa bahay na ako. Bye-bye! So clearly guys, we are here, but now we cannot go inside in our house because we don't have a key clearly. So right now I don't know where we're gonna be. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna update you guys. Bye bye. Hi guys, we are home guys, and this is the end of my vlog. So bye bye guys, don't forget to subscribe in my channel guys. So bye bye.